There's no one else over here. That was a nice one. Yeah, it was. Whoa! Yeah, that means stay over here. Poor baby. Okay, why don't we wait till the next strike? Wow. That was close. Hold on, pretty hardcore. Hold on a second. I don't want to get her in the car. Wow. Hardcore. Get her inside maybe. And look for the... That was crazy. Okay. Well, yeah, but getting in the car. Wow. Okay. Get inside, please.
Sweet. Look at this. Come here, dude. It's all right. Come over here. You'll get wet, man. I was going to leave my windows cracked. I did. That sucks. It's called the Thunderstorm. That's what happens in the summertime.
Wow.
No, stay out here. Stay right here. Cool. Woo. Wow. Holy cow. I'm still a little nuts. I gotta go open my windows then. Wow.
Wow. It is a nice one. Boom. Oh, that was cool. Oh no. I'm gonna get through here real quick. I left my lights on. Would you guys mind holding this for a second? Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We haven't had
Crazy. I don't think I've ever seen that.
Put this on YouTube.
I know. I'll look for it. That's great.
Look for like Rogue Valley Thunderstorm or something like that.
Rogue Valley what?
Rogue Valley Thunderstorm. I'll put something like that on there. There's not many of those, so you'll probably find it
like
pretty
this,
easy. Yeah.
I've never seen this like this.
Whoa.
Oh wow. And the sun has
Uh-oh. Here goes some of the power. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh.
awesome.
I got some.
Yeah. Of course you would. Oh no, I don't care. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. You can't get ready for that. We don't have this. I wasn't ready.
Wow.
Look at the cart pulling by itself.
Oh. It's a pretty nasty storm for around here. Wow. You know, I went to turn my lights off and they're still on.
And they're still on?
Yeah.
Look like it's screwed
I know.
I just can't believe people who want to come in the store that way.
Uh-huh.
This is almost as bad as some shit.
Where Daddy comes from, it rains like this every day.
Oh, excuse me, sorry. Whoa, that was right above us. Wow. That was really close. Oh.
Okay, time to go in.
Yeah.
You're not going to walk through that? Did you see the lightning right over there?
Oh.
There you go. Oh my God. We'll see it hit one of the lights. Are you scared? It'll just hit a light post and it'll explode and it'll sparks everywhere. Look at the flagpole over there. Maybe I'll hit the flagpole.
I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go get some water.
I'll be fine.
I'll be soaked, but I'll be fine.
Can you even drive in them?
Yeah, you go out with wipers, right?
Yeah, but I mean, it's like, woo! Wow.
Yeah.